Good morning, children. So today we are going to start chapter 7, fractions. So in that, the introduction of the fraction and how to do simplification of the fractions and what are fractions, how many different kinds of fractions are there, and how to simplify the fractions, additions and subtractions. So related to the fractional part, we are going to discuss in the chapter 7. Okay, based on the instructions, we will solve the problems also. Okay. Now about the fraction. So actually what is a fraction? Fraction, it is nothing but a part of a whole. See, for example, here this is a circle. So this will be known as a whole. So complete full part is known as a whole. And if this will be made into two halves, okay, that complete whole divide into two parts, then it will be known as a fraction. It means the fraction is a part of a whole. Okay, so one whole part divide into two different parts, or it can be divided into three parts or four parts according to the part divisions and according to the requirement. Okay, so like this. Now everyone open your maths notebook and in the write chapter 7, the last chapter of term 1, about the fractions part 1. After writing this heading, now we'll write it slowly one by one about the definition of the fractions and about the examples of the fractions, and after that different types of the fractions. Okay, so now everyone open your maths notebook and write chapter 7 heading. Now, after writing that, keep the heading, subheading fraction. Write it and underline that, fraction. So, next, write down of that, fraction is a part of a whole. Part of a whole. Full stop. Fraction is a part of a whole. It has a numerator and a denominator. It has a numerator and a denominator. It has a numerator and a denominator. Okay, so now write down example 6 by 5. So in that 6 is equal to numerator. 6 is known as numerator and 5 is known as denominator. Numerator and denominator. Okay, after that, next side heading, types of fractions. So the above number will be known as numerator and the below number is known as denominator. Right now, next heading, types of fractions. Okay, types of fractions. First one, proper fraction. Proper fractions. So what are called proper fractions? Right now, when a numerator is lesser than a denominator, it is known as proper fraction. It is known as proper fraction. Example, 4/7. So 4 is lesser than 7. Okay, this is known as a proper fraction. Second subheading, improper fraction. Second heading, improper fraction. Now write down, when a numerator is greater than a denominator, comma, it is known as improper fraction. It is known as improper fraction. Example, 8/3. So 8 is greater than 3. Okay, proper fraction means numerator is less than denominator. Improper fraction means numerator is more than denominator. Okay, so that is one is proper fraction where the numerator is lesser than denominator. Second one is improper fraction where the numerator is more than denominator. And third one is mixed fraction. Third one, mixed fraction. Okay, now write the definition. A fraction with a whole number is known as mixed fraction. Example, 3/1/4. Here 3 is a whole number and 1/4 is a fraction. Okay, 3/1/4. This is known as mixed fraction. And one more point here, improper. An improper fraction, an improper fraction can be changed into a mixed fraction. An improper fraction can be changed into a mixed fraction. This is related to the mixed fraction. And next, fourth type of the fraction is like fractions. Fourth one, like fractions. Okay? Right now, fractions that have the same denominator, fraction that have the same denominator is called like fraction. Is called like fraction. Example, 6 by 5, comma, 3 by 5, comma, 4 by 5, comma, 12 by 5, so like that. If you are observed here, all the denominators are same, 5, 5, 5. So this is known as like fraction. Next, second one. Now, fifth one, unlike fractions. Fifth one, unlike fractions. Now, write down fractions that have different denominators, fractions that have different denominators are called unlike fractions. Unlike fractions. Example, 3 by 2, 1 by 5, 6 by 4, 8 by 7, like that. So the denominators are different. So this will be known as unlike fraction. Okay, in like fractions the denominators are same, and in unlike fraction the denominators are different. So up to now we discussed about the 5 different types of fractions. One is proper fraction, where the numerator is lesser than denominator. Second one is improper fraction, where the numerator is more than denominator. And the third one is a mixed fraction. So a fraction which is combined with the whole number, that fraction will be known as a mixed fraction. And improper fractions can be changed into mixed fraction. and the fourth type is like fractions. So like fractions, in like fractions all the denominators will be have the same value, and in the unlike fraction the denominators of the given fractions are different. And the last most important one will be the equivalent fraction. The last one, the sixth one, equivalent fraction. EQUIVALENT equivalent fractions. Fractions that when reduced fractions that when reduced have the same value are called equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. Fractions that when equivalent fractions, fractions that when reduced have the same value are called equivalent fractions. So here, for example, you can write the example. First one is 6/8. Okay, 6/8. This you can simplify with the two tables. 6/8, 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. What is the answer we got, children? 3/4. Okay, so next 12/6. Second one 12/16. Okay, 12/16. 4 table, if you are using the 4 table, simplify this. 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. 3/4. What is the answer we got here, children? After dividing 3/4, 3/4. It means, so 6/8, 12/16 are equivalent fractions. Okay, so like this, equivalent fractions means after simplifying we should get the same answer. Here 3/4 we got the same answer, no? But the fraction is different, 6/8. And here 12/16. The fraction is different, but the answer is 3/4 only. So like that, when the same answer we are getting as a reminder, so that answers, that sums will be known as an equivalent fractions. Okay, copy it neatly, children. So like this, 6 different types of fractions are there.